Here's the Jellas keychain pocket knife. Here's what you get in the box. You get a key ring for the knife, a user manual for the knife, shows you how to properly close it, and you get the knife itself. The body of the knife is a G10 material that's knurled all the way around, so you have some good grip on it. Here's the blade. The blade is made of an 8CR14 MOV steel. It's a stainless steel material that holds a good edge and also resists corrosion. The design of the knife fits well in a hand. It has this groove on each side to hold your finger in there, and a thumb grip right here to get good control of the knife. The blade is a double bevel blade. It comes from the factory, really sharp. It also has a rope cutting blade here, and I'll demonstrate those here in a minute. In the back, as you can see, it has a key ring. You can put a lanyard there, or you can put a key ring on it. To show you an example or what it looks like for the size, this is what it looks like next to a key. So it's just about the size of a key when it's folded up. To unlock the knife, it has a spring right here on the side that you have to just slide down and you close it. This knife requires two hands to operate. This tab in the back is not used to open it. It's more for protection of your fingers from that cutting area right there. The knife, it can be used to cut any type of small diameter rope or string, great for fishing line. I also have some nylon twine. I'll show you how it cuts that. And then I have some thicker 3/8 inch braided nylon line with some cloth core to it. Now this one's a little bit harder to cut, but if you take your time and work this knife back and forth, it'll cut this braided knife. Let me demonstrate that real quick. There it goes. From the factory, this comes nice and sharp. It does have stamped Jellas on the blade itself and the steel type right there on the inside. And that's the Jellas keychain pocket knife.